Hi, my name is Harrison, and I'm one of the founders of Blated. And this is our Cap and Press Core Series capsule filling machine. I'm going to quickly explain who this machine is for, some of the basic facts to note, and then I'll walk you through what we do differently from every other brand. So the Core Series manual capsule filling machine is made for people who want to make their own capsules efficiently. It lets you fill capsules in small to medium batches without any complicated setup. It's great for personal use and even small brands or startups. One important thing to note is that like all manual machines in its class, the Core Series uses pre-separated capsules. So you can either separate them before filling, or you can buy them pre-separated. Separating yourself adds about 2 or 3 minutes to the whole process. The Core Series comes in 100 hole and 400 hole options. We offer the 100 hole filler in almost all capsule sizes from 000 to size 4, and the 400 hole machine in the most common sizes, which are 00 and 0. Now 100 holes means 100 capsules at a time, and 400 holes means 400 capsules at a time. But you can also do smaller batches using our tape-up method. The 100 hole model comes in 2 color options, transparent and teal. Every part comes clearly labeled in English, so there's zero guesswork with using your machine. Each plate is made with injection molding using high-quality food-grade ABS plastic. This ensures uniform alignment and eliminates defects that could affect how the machine works. We only use white or transparent plastic on the parts that touch your ingredients. Now, this is extremely important because machines made from other companies using black plastic will hide manufacturing contamination, it makes cleaning harder, and it contains the highest load of dyes and fillers touching your ingredients. With our clear and white design, you can see everything inside and out. We also use a smooth gloss finish so that the powder doesn't grab onto the surface the way it can with rougher textured machines. Now, here's the most important part. We've solved the 3 biggest problems that people complain about with capsule fillers from other brands. Those are capsules breaking or not connecting, capsules not locking with the final press, and capsules falling in upside down during loading. Now, we were able to fix all of them because we use these machines every day ourselves. So our instructions are extremely detailed, showing you how to avoid every issue on your very first run. We also include unique patented accessories that no one else has, such as our capsule size checker, so you can confirm the capsule size of any supplement you have in your pantry, and samples of our Blate Papes gel film pouches, which let you take up to 5 grams of powder at once without tasting it. Unlike capsules, Blate Papes are soft, easy to swallow pouches for larger servings. This is really popular for things like kratom powder. We even throw in other small tools and gifts designed to make your experience better. Everything is designed with your health in mind. That's also why we don't offer HPMC capsules like other companies do, which are made from artificially modified cellulose. We only carry 2 capsule types, both made from single naturally occurring ingredients. All this is to say that if you want a cleaner, safer, easier capsule filling machine that works right the first time, the Blated Core Series is the best choice you can make. If you have any other questions you can't find answered here or on our listing, feel free to reach out to us directly via our contact page.